Did you know that you can earn up to $461 per day just by sharing free PDF documents on a website? Look at this. Your document can get up to 3 million views. You can see 2 million views. As you can see, 1 million views. You can see 866,000 views. You can see 799,000 views. You can see 831,000 views. You can see 370,000 views. You can see 775 views. And you can see many other documents here. So this is a simple strategy that I'm about to show you in this video. So if you are new and you have not yet subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Make sure you watch this video till the end, because I'm going to show you a simple trick that you can use to make money with this particular method. The best part of this method is that your document can remain on this website for a long time, which means you can be earning on the autopilot just by uploading one PDF document. So now let's get into the details. So what you are going to do is that you are going to come to this website, FreePLRdownloads.com. On this website you can get any PDF documents on any niche that you want. So when you come here, you can see that they have several niches here that you can select to get a free PDF file to download. So as you can see, we have business, blogging, and many others. So on this video, I'm going to be using the weight loss niche so that I can use that one to demonstrate for you, but you can go with any other niche that you want. So we are going to come to weight loss. So once you open the weight loss niche, you can see there are several PDF files here that you can download here. As you can see a lot of PDF files here that you can download. They are even into pages. So this is page 1. If you don't like the ebooks in this particular page, you can go to page 2 and then download those ebooks. So we are on page 2 now. You can go through to select any ebook that you want. So as you can see, many ebooks here. You can also go to page 3 and then the next page is to search for any book that you want. So let's click on the page 3, and as you can see, this is page 3, and you can see there are still a lot of PLR books here that we can download for free. So as you can see, many of them. So what we are going to be doing is that we are going to download one of them and then re-upload it to the website that I'm about to show you. We are going to select any of them. So once you select an ebook, you are going to see it like this. And what we are going to do now is that we are going to download the ebook. So if you don't click here, because this is an ad, so you are going to scroll down and come to this button, click on download, so that you can download the PDF file onto your PC. So you are going to click on download here, and now you can see that the ebook is downloading onto my PC, as you can see here. Now keep watching and make sure you smash the like button. Don't skip this video, because I'm now going to show you how to use this ebook to make money. Because if you just upload it without following the steps that I'm about to show you in the few seconds, you are not going to make any money. So now once you've downloaded the ebook, you are now going to go and extract the ebook. So we are going to come here and open the book. So now as you can see, this is the ebook that we just downloaded. It is now in a zip file, so we are going to extract the PDF format and then re-upload it onto the website that I'm about to show you. So we are going to open it. So once you open it from the zip file, you are now going to copy it and paste it somewhere so that you can find it to re-upload onto the website that I'm about to show you. Once you copy it, you are going to paste it on a folder. So let me paste it on this particular folder here. So we are going to paste the document here, and now as you can see, that is done. So the next thing is that we are now going to open the document so that you can look at the interior part of it. So we are going to open it. As you can see, this is the ebook and it looks nice. So let's scroll down. So as you can see the interior part of the book, you can see the table of content here. As I scroll, you can see how it looks like. This is a nice ebook that we can re-upload onto the website that I'm about to show you. But you make money if you just upload the ebook like this. So the next thing is that we are now going to monetize this book, which means we are going to find a way of making money from this book. So to do that, you are going to come to this website, seda.com. On this website, you can edit PDF. So we are going to edit the PDF and then insert an affiliate link there. So we are going to come here, edit PDF document. So you are going to click on that. Now once you click on that, upload your PDF file that you downloaded. So you are going to click on upload PDF file, select your file and then open it. And now you can see the ebook is right here. So let me scroll it for you to see. As you can see, here, so this book already have some links in it. So we are going to delete this link and insert our own affiliate links. So we are going to come to Digestore 24 to find an affiliate product so that you can insert it in your ebook, so that when people read the ebook, they can click through your affiliate link and make a purchase for you to earn a commission. So you are going to come here. Once you come here, you are going to click on marketplace. Once you click on the marketplace, you are going to see a page like this, and you can see here are categories of digital products that you can promote with your book. So you can see we have the animals and pets category, we have betting system category, business and investment category, we have computer and internet, we have dance and music, we have dating, love and relationship, and many other categories. So what we are going to do is that we are going to select fitness and health category, but you can see that there are products here that you can promote. So this product is under the health and fitness category, the Meticore. So when you promote this product, you are going to earn 85% commission, which is $121 per sale. So when you get a sale, you are going to earn $121 as a commission when you promote this product and get a sale. You can see another one here is going to give you $93 per sale. You can see many other products here that you can promote. So we are going to be going with this product. Now what you are going to do is that we are going to look at the sales page of this product. You are going to come here and then click on sales page, and now you can see this is the sales page of the product that we are going to be promoting with the ebook. And you can see it's a video that the customer has to watch. So when you play it,
Come on, son, hold on.
Daddy, help me!
you can see, so you can play and then listen to the video. This is a good product because the video here has every information here that will convince the people to buy the product. So what you are going to do is that you are going to be driving traffic to this product using the ebook. So now we have seen the landing page. The next thing is that we are now going to promote the product. So to promote the product, you are going to come here and then copy your affiliate link. So you are going to copy it here. Now once you copy your affiliate link, you are going to come back to your ebook, and here you can see that the ebook already have some link, and we are going to delete these links and then insert our own affiliate links here. So let's delete these links. So to delete this link, you are just going to click on it, and then you can insert your affiliate link here. So you are going to click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to delete their link and then put your own URL here. So you are going to paste your affiliate link here. Once that is done, it is linked to your affiliate product. You can go on and edit the whole document and insert your affiliate links in the ebook. So you can scroll down and insert your links here. As you can see, there is another link here, and we are going to delete it and insert our affiliate link here. So we are going to delete it. You are going to double click on it and then delete their link here. Once you delete their link, you are going to paste your affiliate link here. You can see my nickname here. So once that is done, you are going to go through the document and insert your affiliate links here. Once you finish inserting your affiliate links onto the ebook, you are going to click on apply changes. The links in the ebook are now your affiliate links. So the next thing is that you are going to download this ebook and re-upload it onto the website that I'm about to show you. So you click on download, and now you can see the file has been downloaded onto my PC. So the next thing is that you are now going to upload it onto this website, pdfcoffee.com. This is a website that you can upload your PDF file for free, and you are going to get a lot of views. And once they read your ebook, you are going to click through the links in your ebook, and then they will be directed to your affiliate link. And when they make a purchase, you can earn a commission. So you are going to come here and then register for an account. You are going to fill in your email, fill in your password, confirm your password, and accept terms of service. Once that is done, you are going to check this box, I'm not a robot, and then you click on register so that you can get an account in this particular website. Once you create an account, you are going to see a page like this, and what you are going to do is that you are going to upload your PDF file here so that you can get people to read it. So to add a document, you are going to come here, add story. So when you click here, you can upload your book here. So you are going to do that. So you click on add story. Once you click on add story, you are going to see a page like this, and this is where you are going to write the title of your book. You are also going to write the description of your book here, and when you scroll down, you are going to upload the PDF file here. So let me write the title of the PDF document here. So as you can see right here, this is my title. Here you are going to now write the description for your book. You have to write a catchy description so that when people read the description of your book, they will be eager to read the main book. So you are going to write a good description for your book. So I've written the description already, so I'm going to paste it here. So let me paste my description here. As you can see my description here. So once you write the description, the next thing is that you are now going to upload the PDF file onto this particular website. So you are going to click on browse. Once you click on browse, you are going to select the file and then click on open, and it will be uploaded here. You can see the file has been uploaded here. What you are going to do is that you are going to select I accept the terms of service. The next thing is that you are going to come here and select I'm not a robot. So as you can see, I am not a robot. That has been checked. The next thing is that you are going to click on publish so that your book can go live onto this website for the thousands of visitors here to read it. So you are going to click on publish. So once you click on publish, you can see the book right here. So let me scroll down for you to see. You can see the title. You can see right now I have 0 views because I have just uploaded it. Once you upload the book, people are going to come and read it and then click through your affiliate link so that when they make a purchase, you can earn a commission. So you are going to be uploading many books so that you can get a lot of people to click through your link. So you are not going to upload one book and then stop. You are going to be consistent with this method so that you can get free traffic here. So that is it for this section. But if you want to create ebooks, create online courses, you can check this book in the description. It is a book that will help you to create and sell digital info products. So as you can see, the price is $2 plus. That means you can pay and get access to this book at $2 or $3 and above. So this is a price that I'm giving to you, my viewers, right now. So within the next 10 days, I'm going to increase it to the normal price. So make sure you act fast and just enter $2 and you can get access to this particular book so that you can learn how to create and sell digital products to make passive income from home. So this is a great book. You can see it is 119 pages and it contains a lot of details that will help you to create digital info products. Even if you have no digital skills, this book can still help you to create digital info products. Make sure you check the first link in the description below to get access to this book. Once again, thank you for watching, and if you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.